Hi and welcome back to Fun Chow. Today I'm gonna make a really delicious dish. I had a variation of it at an Italian restaurant in San Diego and it was so good I came home and made it for myself. So I wanna show you how to make it. So the dish I'm making is a penne pasta with Italian sausage and a white wine sauce. So let me show you the ingredients you're gonna need to make this. So I'm using a penne pasta today, but you can use whatever pasta you like. This is Italian sausage and it's kind of spicy. It's got some fennel in it. It's just really packed with flavor. It gives this dish a wonderful flavor. I'm using Brussels sprout leaves today that I just peeled. You can use any kind of vegetable you want. Asparagus would work really well, some broccolini, just whatever you prefer. We're gonna put some fresh lemon, and I've got my garlic, parsley. This is a piece of white bread that I just cut up. You can use breadcrumbs if you want, but you don't really need to buy breadcrumbs. All you gotta do is this. 1 egg. This is a Pecorino Romano. I grated it myself. I get this big block at Costco. And it's really flavorful and salty, so you don't need a lot of salt in your dish. And I said red pepper flakes. And of course, you're gonna want a dry white wine. This is a Pinot Grigio from Italy. So when I'm cooking Italian food, I like to use Italian wine. It's tart, it's dry, and it just makes a really nice sauce. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the white wine sauce. We wanna get that going first because you wanna cook down the alcohol in the wine so you don't taste the wine, you just wanna taste the richness and silkiness from the wine. So I'm gonna turn on my little grill. So I'm gonna coat the pot with olive oil and throw some garlic in there. Get the garlic going. Wait for that to heat up. Yeah, we're getting a nice sizzle on that. Now I'm gonna add about a cup or so of wine. I'm gonna use a little bit more than usual today because we've got meat and vegetables going into this pasta. So I want a lot of sauce so I can cook my meat. Okay, then we're gonna boil that to start. And once it starts boiling, then we'll turn it down and just kind of slow boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes till that wine flavor burns off. So we're getting a nice boil going here, and I'm gonna add a little lemon juice and then turn it down to a slow boil. Just a nice squeeze of that lemon. And I'll give it a stir and then I'm just gonna let it do its magic. So we're just gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it aside while it does its magic and we're gonna work on the meatballs next. So first we're gonna make the meatballs, and I like to wear a glove because working with meat. We're gonna put this in the bowl with our bread. We're gonna put in our egg, our Pecorino Romano cheese, our parsley, and I like red pepper flakes. It's really your call how many you want because the sausage is slightly spicy as it is. But we like spice in this house, so we're just gonna get in there and squeeze this all together until it's nice and mixed up. Now I'm just gonna take 2 spoons and I'm gonna make sort of meatballs. I don't like big chunks of meatballs in my pasta. I like little bite size. and it kind of matches the size of the vegetable. So just grab some and work it with the spoon till you have a nice little formed droplet. This smells really good already. This Italian sausage is just delicious. I make it in a soup recipe also. And whatever you make it in, it just gives it so much flavor. You almost don't need anything else but this sausage. I get mine at Butcher Box, which is this meat delivery company. They source their proteins from ethical farms, and the quality is just really good. So we boiled the water. We're gonna add a little salt to the water, give it a little flavor, and I'm gonna use about half this bag of pasta. And I like to cook my pasta so it's not quite cooked when I take it out. Probably about 5 or 6 minutes, because I finish cooking it in my sauce. When your pasta is almost done, grab some of that water from the pot, because you're going to use that for the sauce. So our white wine sauce has evaporated nicely. The wine smell is gone. So I'm going to add a little bit of butter and some lemon juice. Get that seed out of there. And also, I'm going to add some of the pasta water. So I need a little bit more to cook my meat with. Give that a stir. And once that comes to a boil, we're going to start adding the meat in and cook it right in the sauce. So you can see these aren't full meatballs. Like I said, I like them to be bite-sized so that you can have a perfect bite of pasta, meat, vegetables. Turn that down just a wee bit. These should cook pretty quickly. Probably won't throw all the meat in because I only did half a bag of pasta, so want it to be balanced with all of our ingredients. This is going to really flavor this broth. It's going to be so tasty. I'm going to add just a little bit more red pepper flakes because, like I said, we like spice in this house. Okay, now that our meat is almost cooked, we're going to throw the vegetables in. We'll just balance it out with the meat. And since these are leaves, they're going to cook pretty quickly. Okay, that's looking really good. The meat looks like it's cooked. The veggies are softer. I'm going to add in our pasta now. And I undercooked this by about 2 minutes so I can finish cooking it in our sauce. Add a little bit more pasta water because I like it saucy. Now I'm just gonna top it off with some pecorino romano. I'm gonna freshly grate it. And this will give it a nice saltiness, so you don't really need to add salt to this dish because this cheese is pretty salty. And we're gonna top it off with just a little bit more lemon juice. Give it a little brightness. And a little bit more red pepper flakes. That looks delicious. And now comes my favorite part. It's time to chow. So I'm gonna dig in. I'm gonna try to get just a little bit. Ooh, that sauce looks delicious. Get a little meatball, a little pasta, a little veg. Oh, wow. You taste the fennel in the Italian sausage, which I'm not a big fan of, but for some reason it works. This is really good. It's perfectly lemony. The noodles are al dente, and I love vegetables in my pasta. Really good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe for more delicious recipes to come. Ciao.